Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix iPhone buzzing or popping sound and how we can fix this. There are main three things you have to take care of which is going to fix it. So one of the first is you have to remove your case, and after removing the case most probably the issue might be with over here. So what you need to do is it might be filled with the debris and all kind of things, so you have to clean it properly. So you can use any kind of thing, so make sure that you have to use it, and you should not be doing it very harsh. Make sure that you have to do it very gently, and make sure if any kind of debris and all kind of things might be causing the issue, so just clean it. So this is the first and famous step you need to try. And over here at the bottom we have the speaker, so make sure that you have to try, and this is the first step you need to try. After doing this, what you need to do is we have to move to the next step. Next step is all about you have to do a restart on your iPhone. So there is an easiest way, that is all about you have to go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here you have to scroll it down a little bit and navigate to the general. Now scroll it down a little bit over here, and now there is an option called shutdown. You have to tap on it, and now go for shut down your device. Now the device is completely turned off. Now you wanted to restart it back. For that we have to press and hold the power button over here. You can see the finger over here on this side. You have to just press and hold the power button. When you see the Apple logo, you can just remove the finger from there, and it's like a restart. So all we have to do is just wait for this. Sometimes, like I always used to say in the video, sometimes a restart can fix a lot of things. So try with the restart and you have to check. Now unlock your phone with the passcode and you have to check. Even if that is not working, so we have one more step, that is all about go over here to the settings once again. Now scroll it down a little bit and navigate to the general, and from here we have to scroll it down a little bit over here, and there is an option called transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it and go to the reset. You have to tap on this, and there is an option called reset old setting. So some of you guys might be thinking when you do the reset old setting it will be completely wiping your data, but it won't do that. So reset old settings, what it's going to do is it's going to reset all the settings, like if you made any customization in the settings, like the widget, the home screen layout and the Wi-Fi password and all kind of things will be gone, and you just need to connect back to the Wi-Fi once again, and all kind of customization on the setting will be lost. It will be gone, and rest everything like your data and everything will be there. And these are the three steps you need to try in order to fix this. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.